Hello and welcome to Introduction to Trading Forex for Beginners, at the Raleigh Trade House, hosted by the Let's Learn Forex Together community of traders. This is for anyone interested in learning how to make passive income by trading currency on the foreign exchange. All skill levels are welcome to join. We'll meet once per week at the Raleigh Trade House for hands-on training and trading. At the Raleigh Trade House, you will find a trading community of traders of all skill levels from just beginning to experienced. With individual and group support, you will be able to learn how to trade at your own pace because we will walk you step by step through executing trades on your smartphone, Android or iPhone. We meet every week. This is not one of those $5,000 weekend boot camps. We have 3 types of activities every week for you to learn in a group setting. 1. Hands-on training, where you will learn Forex basics. 2. Workshop webinars, learn while in the comfort of your home. 3. Live trading room, where you will execute trades. So what will you be doing? During this time you will get an overview of Forex, and you will also participate in a question and answer session. We will also demonstrate trading on Forex using your smartphone. What to bring? Pen, notebook, and smartphone. Important to know. This is a financial education activity, held at the PNC Bank building located in Hartwell Plaza. So go ahead and RSVP, we look forward to trading with you.